At Tidmouth Sheds, Thomas and Charlie were busy surprising each other.
My turn to make you laugh now, Charlie. Boom! That was a good one, Thomas.
But Gordon wasn't impressed.
Sodor Surprise Day is a silly day for silly engines.
No, it isn't, Gordon. On Sodor Surprise Day, you get to make your friends laugh. It's fun, isn't it, Charlie?
Yes, it is.
Boo!
Then Sir Topham had arrived.
Tonight there will be a party at Callan Castle. There will be decorations and fireworks.
Thomas and Charlie were excited.
Thomas, you will collect the party bunting from Maithwaite Station. Gordon, you will collect the fireworks from the docks. Harold is bringing them from the mainland.
Fizzling fireboxes! A party! With fireworks!
Gordon wasn't excited.
I am a very important engine with a very important job.
And Gordon puffed huffily away.